Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this session we will see how we can run the Maven project which is available in the GitHub repository, and that we will run from the Jenkins which is running on the AWS EC2 instance. So first of all we need to create and launch one AWS EC2 machine, and on that we need to set up Java, Maven, Git and Jenkins. Okay, so this part we already covered in the previous session, and once it is done, then using one Jenkins job we will run a Maven project available from the Git repository. Okay, so first let me set up all these things on our AWS EC2. So our setup is completed on the AWS EC2. So this is the Maven project that we are going to run, available in my GitHub repository. So for that purpose, let us create a Maven project first. So either you can create a freestyle project, or as we have installed the Maven integration plugin, we can create the Maven project from here. Okay, so source code management. So here you need to provide where your project is available. Okay, so you need to provide the repository URL. So this is the URL you need to provide. So if you see this kind of error here, okay, failed to connect to repository. Okay, so it is unable to fetch the project from our GitHub repository, okay, due to some issue. So this might be due to that Git is not available on your AWS EC2. Okay, so you need to install the Git first on your AWS EC2. So again, go to the PowerShell and run this command. So this will install the Git. Okay, it is completed, and now so just refresh this page again. I'll copy the URL again and provide it here. So now it will be able to fetch the project from our GitHub repository. Okay, so no need to change anything from here. Branch we are specifying here, that is the master branch. Okay, so in GitHub we can have multiple branches, right? So by default it is taking the master branch. Then go to the build section. So here you need to provide the root pom. So our pom.xml file is available at this location. Okay, so this is my project location, GitHub repository URL, and here this pom.xml file is available. And in the goals and options section, you just need to provide the Maven goal. Okay, Maven clean install, clean test, or clean package as per your requirement. And while running the Maven project, okay, I am going to send values for two parameters. One is username and one is password. Okay, so this Maven project we have created in the Maven series. So if you want to see, you can go and watch the video from the Maven series. Okay, so we are going to pass the parameters values at the runtime. So I will provide goal as clean test. Okay, it will only run the test cases, and while running the test cases, two values I am going to provide. One is username, let's say AJ, and -d. Another parameter value is password equal to, let's say, ABCD. Okay, so these two parameters I have included in the pom.xml file. Okay, and the values for these parameters I am sending at the runtime. So these values will be used in our test cases, and that will be printed in the console. So that's it. Click on apply and save. So click on build now button. So it will download some jar files and plugins required to run our Maven project. So this is the Maven project we are running. So I have created two parameters. One is username and password. So these are the default values it will use if user do not send any values while running the Maven project. Okay, so we have sent some values for username and password. So those values will be used in the test cases. Okay, so we are going to print the values for these parameters. So it is completed now, and you can see we got two values here. Username is AJ and password value is default password. Okay, so it did not pick the password value for some reason, so that we need to see. Check the configuration again. Okay, so here I have done the spelling mistake. It is password, right? So that's why I did not pick the value for this password parameter. Okay, so now we got the value. So this is how you can run the Maven project from the Jenkins job, and that Jenkins is available on our AWS EC2, that is our remote machine, not on the local. So on the local, how we can do all the setups is already covered in this Jenkins series. If you are watching this session for the first time, you can go and watch the previous sessions. Okay, so this Maven project we have run by using the Maven integration plugin, right? So same Maven project you can run by using the freestyle project as well. So let me show you that quickly. So we'll select Maven 2, select this freestyle project, click on OK, select Git here, provide the repository URL. Okay, and again this will be the master branch. From the build step, select execute shell, and here you need to provide the command men clean test -d username equal to is a space -d password equal to abcd. Okay, click on apply and save, and click on build now button. So it has cloned the remote Git repository first, and then it has run our Maven project. So these are the two values we got. Okay, so this is how you can run the Maven project by using Maven integration plugin and freestyle project from the Jenkins available on our AWS EC2 remote machine. So that's all for this session, guys. Try all these things on your own on your laptop. Okay, so this will definitely benefit you in the interviews as well. Okay, so let me know if you face any issue in this. Thank you.